So what are we doing here, dude?
Nothing, just for the light,
Austin. Austin. Austin.
Come on, hey.
Get up, dog.
Let's go, dog. Like 10 steps and you're inside the house. Let's go, dude.
Get up, dude.
Let's go, dog. Let's go. Come here, grab open his head. Come on,
Austin, get up, dude.
Alright, dude.
Get up, man.
Go, come on.
We're gonna put this on real TV.
Come on, dude. Come on, your shit weigh a lot. Your shit weigh a lot, dude. Let's go. I need you to stand up and I'll carry you in, dude. Let's go. Come on.
Hey, stand up, dog. We need to get it.
Stand up and I'll carry you in, dog. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, stand up and I'll carry you in.
Austin. Austin. Look up, dog.
Let's go. Hey, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, stand up.
He's sleeping like that. He's sleeping like that. He's sleeping like that. He's sleeping like that, dude. Alright. He farted. Spitty. Here you go.
Oh shit.
Austin, happy birthday.
Damn.
Austin, happy birthday. Look at this guy. What happened to him?
Let's go, dude. Let's go. Come on. Alright.
Austin in front of his house.
That way. Run, nigga.
Austin. 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 Hey. Hey. Get up, dog. Get up. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, dog. Hey, where do I get the bowls at so you can throw a pig? Huh? Huh? There goes you, man. So what are you throwing in?
I throw up in the toilet.
You want to sleep on the toilet? You want some water? Wait, do me a favor. Hey. Say something to the camera for your birthday.
I love you.
What? Say happy birthday to Austin.
Happy birthday, Austin.
Hi.
Okay.